They have some? How about the pineapple? Let's try that. I will try that. That one. Apple. Never surrender. Hello everyone. We're here in Walmart.
We're always in Walmart.
We're always in Walmart. Get some for you. Althea, she really like that.
You do? It's 24.
I will bake like something like that. And they have something in the inside filling.
No, there's no filling inside. It's just
No,
bread.
I will put some and I will bake. Tell me the banana is how much? The banana?
Too much. Joe Biden got it like.
Oh, stop. Yeah, like I did like that. Nice kumalaman mo. You get some vegetables.
Okay, well, you get some vegetables. I don't know what you want. What do you want?
Broccoli.
I mean, I don't know what you want. You got to tell.
Okra. I will get okra. Be. The okra is full dollar, guys. Almost 500 pesos in the Philippines.
Well,
Oh my
it's
god.
200.
So the sayote is 88 cents. Magkuha ko ani og slow 88 cents. Sayote. Ang okra guys, 500 pesos. Nayabag na. Puting gamaya. I will get sayote today. Yeah. So we're done. Go to the couch.
We're almost 100 pesos along.